Hello guys, we're back with another video, and I made 3 paper airplanes. Here's my first one, second one, third one. Third one. Okay, now I'm going to test fly them. Okay guys, just wait. Okay, now let's do this. See how that went? You did it? Let's do it again. Look. So how that one went. I think you guys saw the first one. And I went by my mom's thing. Okay. Now I'm going to fly the third one. So how that went? Third one. Okay, now let's go get them. Let's go get them. Okay, so. That's the first one. Second. Third. Okay, so now we're going to pick them up. Start right here. And yes, I do have him. Okay, now. See how far that went? Okay. Going all the way over there. Okay, now, so that got stuck right here. Okay, those are your animals. Thought you guys said you were gonna come today, but you weren't. So, sorry. Just watch this video, it'll make you happier. And yeah, dude. I made that. Before I started vlogging, I was just watching some videos of some stuff. Okay, and also, if you see the previous one, the first one that I said in a very long time on the, that one, please subscribe to me, and let's hit